Hey, thanks for tuning into the Tinier House series. Today we're going to be digging into finding out exactly what we're allowed to build back there. That's in terms of square footage, height, proximity to other property lines, all that stuff. So I figured the first place to start would be getting in contact with someone at the city. And I got a hold of this fellow named Aaron, who's super helpful.
So the main thing you're going to need to be concerned about is lot coverage. In this zone, it is 45% of the lot.
So our lot runs 80 feet north to south and 110 feet east to west. The house and the driveway cover just under 2,400 square feet, or 27% of our total lot. So that leaves us about 18% of the total lot to build the rental unit on. So I don't think we're going to build something that large. We're thinking more around 1,000 square feet, which will give us a lot of margin if we want to build something else on the property later. So in terms of where exactly this gets placed on the lot,
standard setbacks are 10 feet to the rear and 6 feet to the side yards. That said, provided your building is less than 15 feet tall, those setbacks can be reduced to 3 feet.
One of the other constraints Aaron mentioned was something called solar rights, and that's just making sure that we're not casting a shadow into the yard of the neighbors to the north. Given we're building the unit in the south part of the yard, this shouldn't be a problem. And the last question I had for Aaron was height.
Well, I believe we technically have a height limit of 35 feet in the residential zones, but
That's plenty.
I've never seen anyone get close to that.
So that went awesome. We can build a lot larger thing than we thought. So I guess up next we're going to figure out what we want to build. Get into floor plan layouts, rooms, kitchens, all that fun stuff. Stay tuned.